Hi everyone. In this tutorial we'll see Python installation. We'll install Python in our laptop. In before tutorial I have done what is Python and also who uses Python and why should we learn Python. What are the real-time applications are there in Python. So many things was discussed in before tutorial. If you not seen before tutorial, the link was available in description and you can watch and you can learn a lot many things. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. Just go to Chrome and type python.org. The link was available in description. No need to worry about that. So this is the official website of Python. You can see go to download and you can see there a version of Python. I already said the present version of Python is 3 point something. So the present version is 3.8.4. You can see just go here and download the present version of Python. So I think it's take like only 3 minutes. My file was downloaded. You can see. Just open the file. So just open the file, and after open, you can see like upgrade now and customize installation. What is the difference between upgrade now and customize installation? So if you click the customize installation, that it's asking like some installations what you need. So you can use upgrade now means automatically it's take all the what you are daring and it replaces having before installation. So I actually before I installed like 3 point some 3.6 or something version is there in my laptop. So now I want to upgrade the Python version. So just go to upgrade now, and now you can see the version will upgrade because in before I have Python. So better to use upgrade now only. So just it take time to install. Just take some minutes to install. The setup was successful, and just close this one, and now the Python was installed in my laptop. So is it installed or not? How can I know? So just go to command prompt, just type cmd and just open command prompt. So this is the command prompt. After installation of Python in your laptop, just go to command prompt and type python, just press enter. You can see the version of Python, that is 3.8.4. You can see the present version. So this is the way to install Python and to check the version in your laptop. Yes, done. We done everything. So after installation Python, you can write in command prompt only. You can write like print hello world. So you can write without ideally also. Just write hello world. You can see the output of hello. So without ideally we can work with command prompt also. You can write different programs in here. So if you want to work any ideally, just open ideally. So I already have the ideally. So this is the application. You can like user interface, we are having that user interface, and you can write same program and you can print. So this is the way to install Python. Actually, I don't want use ideally. So in I don't want to use command prompt also. So I want like a different thing which was there, like different platform I want to work with Python. So for that I want to download Anaconda. So why I am using Anaconda, I'll explain. So just go here and type Anaconda. So just go here and type Anaconda Navigator download and open this link. So I already kept the link was in description, no need to worry. And just go here and just click this download. Automatically it will send to Windows 64-bit and 32-bit. Just download this 64-bit. I already downloaded. So you can see it was there in my laptop. You can see that is Anaconda was downloaded. So after downloaded, just install this one. Automatically it will be installed in your laptop. So I already installed Anaconda Navigator, you can see. So it's take time to open. I think it's very clear. So first of all we need to download Anaconda and install and just open. So why I'm using Anaconda actually? Yes, Haripriya, you are having like ideally, then why you are using Anaconda? I can say the reason is Anaconda is popular because it's having many tools which can use it in machine learning, data science, and also Anaconda contains popular Python libraries that can be used in data science, and also in that we are using Jupyter. So it also comes with Jupyter notebook, and it's having inbuilt, it's having Spider, and lot many tools are available in book. So that's why I'm using Anaconda. So in Anaconda we are using Jupyter. So I think it was open. You can see this is the Anaconda Navigator, and you can see lot many things are there. You can see Jupyter Lab notebook and Spider. If you want to work with Visual Studio Code, everything was there. So that's why I recommend to use Anaconda, and in that we are using Jupyter Notebook. So why we are using Jupyter Notebook? So just click the launch. So Jupyter is actually, it's a web application. It's like we can use like notebook, which is, first of all it is open source. That's why we are using, and also we can use like in single file we can write lot many files, like lot many programs. So that's why I'm using Jupyter. So you can see here, this is the Jupyter notebook was launches. So this is the way to use Jupyter notebook in your computer. I think you all understand how to use Jupyter notebook. So after launches the Jupyter Notebook, it automatically opens in your browser. Either, I think so, I'm using Chrome, so that's why my Jupyter Notebook was in Chrome. So you can set up its default browser as a Chrome you can keep. So that's all about this tutorial. I'll come with another tutorial that working with Jupyter interface. So how can we work with the Jupyter interface, that what is, how we can create the folder and Python files and everything will work more and more. So until then, wait for next tutorial.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask any